Is lymphatic drainage massage, and what are some of the benefits? Like, why would somebody get it?
So manual lymphatic drainage, everybody has a lymphatic system and it drains at a natural rate. Manual lymphatic drainage just speeds up your natural process to be able to flush yourself out and get a good detox.
Nice. So who can benefit from manual lymphatic drainage?
Absolutely anybody, any age, healthy, non-healthy. A lot of the most popular that a lot of people hear of is post-operation. So anything operation is a hit to your lymphatic system, anything that causes swelling. So that's a really good one. But anyone who's looking to just detox, make a lifestyle change, anyone who is going through cancer treatments, pregnancy, sports injuries, anything with swelling, down to as simple as just allergies or getting over a cold, or even dealing with acne on the face or the body.
Nice. And how often do you recommend somebody come in to receive lymphatic drainage?
That would be a case-by-case basis, just because there's so many different variables and anybody can receive it. So someone that just had surgery is gonna need a lot more in a shorter span. Someone who's just looking to detox, anywhere from once or twice a year. For dealing with allergies, maybe once a month, every other month. It's a case-by-case basis. But with every client, I dig into every detail and we come up with a personalized plan.
What made you get into lymphatic drainage massage?
So lymphatic drainage, it was a client. She had just had a BBL, which is short for Brazilian butt lift. Thanks to the Kardashians, they made that one really big. One of my biggest clientele. So it's liposuction. Anybody who gets liposuction, when they are removing the fat, that destroys the lymphatic system. So it takes out all the vessels, that fluid just puddles up, there's nowhere for it to go. So these patients, they swell from anywhere to 6 to 8 weeks to even up to 12 months. Intense, painful swelling. So that plan looks a lot different than someone who's just dealing with some allergies or looking to detox. But that was how I got into it, that was my first patient. And I fell in love with it. It was my niche. They were in so much pain, and after that 60-minute session, instant results, instant relief. They felt so much better, and I felt amazing to be able to provide that.
Nice. So tell me about lymphatic drainage massage. I understand that it's working on, it's like lighter pressure and working on a more superficial. How is it different from deep tissue, or more effective?
Gotcha. So deep tissue has its own subject, and manual lymphatic drainage has its own purpose as well. So two different outcomes that we're looking for. With manual lymphatic drainage, it is very, very light work. So it's relaxing. You may fall asleep and take a nap. Very enjoyable. Our lymphatic system lives just under the skin. So with deep pressure, we are moving some lymph, but not at a high rate. So our natural flow is about 10 to 12 beats per minute. We have a heart for our blood, but we don't have a muscle pumping our lymphatic system. So it flows at a natural rate with gravity. After one session, we are speeding up your entire system from 10 to 12 beats per minute to 100 to about 100 or 120 beats per minute. So really, really fast. And what we're doing is sending everything to the bladder. We are flushing it out, and your only homework is to urinate a lot. That sped up rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute should last about 48 to 72 hours. So we're just completely flushing the system out. One question I get asked a lot is, can I have half deep tissue and half lymphatic drainage? The answer is no, because they're doing two different things. We can't combine it. So after you receive a lymphatic drainage, 72 hours, about 3 days, you can come right back and have your deep tissue, so we can work the muscles too. We're just working two different systems.
Can you tell me about the different manual lymphatic drainage massages that you do? Like, I understand it's a 30-minute, 60-minute, and a 90-minute.
All right, so I offer a 30-minute lymphatic drainage. For that one, that's going to be the head, the face, neck, and shoulders. So we're just kind of draining the top half. For that session, anyone who is dealing with allergies, a lot of congestion, sinus issues, acne, a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, so we're fleshing out the skin, or someone who's just looking to completely relax. It's very relaxing. Anyone who has fibromyalgia that can't take a lot of pressure, this is a really good session for them too. They get the best of both worlds. So they get to relax, get a massage, and not have the aftermath of the fibromyalgia. So that would be my 30-minute protocol. With my 60-minute session, it's a full body. So we just kind of flush the full body. We don't pay a lot of attention to the face. That's good for anybody from looking to detox, getting over a cold, post-operation, so just out of a surgery, working with anyone going through cancer, chemo, radiation treatments, anything like that. Pregnancy, so my prenatal, and the cool thing about this is anyone in the first trimester can absolutely receive this, which if you've asked for a massage in the first trimester, you may have been turned away. But manual lymphatic drainage, we can definitely do that. The 90-minute protocol, or the 90-minute session, is it's full body, including the neck, face, and shoulders. So it's an entire detox. So anyone looking for lifestyle change, detox, definitely recommend that one. Post-operation as well, so we can flush the entire system.
Can you tell me about, I know you do prenatal and postnatal massage. Tell me some of the benefits specific for that.
Gotcha. So prenatal, with each trimester, there's different symptoms. So the first trimester, this is going to help ease any morning sickness, headaches, anything that comes, the symptoms that come with first trimester. Second and third trimester, that's when some inflammation and swelling happens. So we're going to help to flush out and eliminate that and just keep your body healthy and flowing while it's changing rapidly with the pregnancy. Postnatal, so your body just went through a traumatic experience, whether it was a vaginal birth or C-section. So it just helps your body to recover from that, especially C-section.